Hello, welcome my dear student. In this lecture series, I am going to solve some of the interesting problems for your JEE Advanced preparation. So let us start with this. So there is a force acts on a 3-gram particle. Okay, so mass of the particle is given as 3 gram in such a way that the position of the particle as a function of time is given by this. Okay, and the position of the particle is changing with respect to time. That is 3t minus 4t square plus tq, where x is in meter and t is in second is given. So you are asked to calculate the work done on the particle during the first 4 seconds. Now, since the displacement is changing, so can I say the force is also changing? Why? Because there must be some acceleration, and acceleration, if it becomes function of time, then the force is not constant number. So I have to check whether I am getting the force to be constant or not. So for that, the x number is given as 3t minus 4t square plus t cube. Okay, so dx dt will give the value of velocity v at any instant. That should be equal to 3 minus 8t plus 3t square. If I further differentiate it, so I am getting d2x dt square, that is basically acceleration, that should be equal to 0 minus 8 plus 60. That means 60 minus 8 is the particle acceleration. So clearly it seems that the particle is moving with variable acceleration, and corresponding to that, the force is also variable. Now, force is also variable. So force acting on the particle of mass m can be written as F equals to m. So what is that m? That m is 3 grams, so 3 by 1000 in kg, and a is how much? 60 minus a. So this is the force acting on the particle. So now the work done, so if I write dw, so dw is what? F dot dx, this number. Okay. So now instead of writing F dot dx, what I am writing, basically because it is a function of time, so we divide it by dx by dt and multiply it by dt. Okay, so it gives F into v into dt. Okay, this is the new value of the expression for w. So F is how much? 3 by 1000 into 60 minus 8, that is the F number. What is v? V is obtained from this expression, that is 3 minus 8t plus 3t square and multiplied by dt. So this is the small work that you have done on the particle by the applied force. Now you are asked to calculate the total work done. So total work done should be how much? Integration of dw. So integration of dw means 3 by 1000 take out integration of 60 minus 8 whole into 3 minus 8t plus 3t square into dt. Limit is from 0 to 4. Now you can do the integration and get the result. Okay, so ultimately what you have to do, you have to formulate the problem in such a way so that you can get the idea of the force F. So force has to be calculated from the given information of mass. So mass is given, so that is the hinge that you have to go for the calculation of force. So for that you calculate the acceleration. So once you calculate the acceleration, you calculate the force value, and based on that you calculate the work done. Okay, so in this equation the answer for the work done has to be calculated based on the limit from 0 to 4. Because you are asked to calculate the work done during the first 4 seconds. So limit for time should be 0 to 4, and once you do this, you can get the answer. Okay, hope you understand this. Thanks for watching my video.